Hey tech enthusiasts, are you searching for the perfect balance of power and portability in your next computer? Wondering if those tiny machines can really handle your demanding workload? Well, you're about to discover the incredible world of mini PCs that pack a serious punch. Today, we're diving deep into our countdown of the top 7 mini PCs that are revolutionizing desktop computing in 2025. From budget-friendly options to powerhouse performers, we'll explore every aspect of these compact wonders. 7. MINISFORUM UM760 Slim Mini PC. The MINISFORUM UM760 arrives with an AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS processor and Radeon 680M graphics, promising high performance in a compact form factor. During my extensive testing, I found the device supports an impressive 96GB DDR5 memory through dual SODIMM slots, making it theoretically capable of handling memory-intensive tasks. The dual M.2 PCIe 4.0 SSD slots offer flexible storage expansion options, though the stock 512GB SSD showed average performance in my benchmarks. The thermal design incorporates a phase-change cooling system with 3 copper heat pipes, which sounds impressive on paper. However, during sustained workloads, I noticed the system struggling to maintain peak performance, with occasional thermal throttling kicking in. While the cooling system keeps noise levels under 35 dB in most scenarios, under heavy loads, the fan noise becomes more noticeable than I'd prefer. The build quality presents a mixed bag. While the black finish looks professional and the case features good vibration dampening, the extensive use of plastic components detracts from the premium feel. The port selection is decent, including multiple USB ports and dual HDMI outputs, but I experienced intermittent issues with the USB-C connectivity that required troubleshooting. Performance-wise, the UM760 handles basic computing tasks adequately, but shows its limitations during more demanding workloads. The Radeon 680M integrated graphics provide decent casual gaming capabilities, but don't expect to run the latest titles at high settings. The pre-installed Windows 11 Pro is a nice touch, though I encountered several driver compatibility issues that needed manual resolution. The device's power efficiency is noteworthy, consuming relatively little power during normal operation. However, I noticed the power adapter tends to get quite warm during extended use, which might be a concern for some users. While the Mini PC offers good value for its price point, the various compromises in build quality and thermal performance make it more suitable for casual users rather than professionals requiring consistent high performance. 6. GEEKOM Mini PC. The GEEKOM Mini PC enters our lineup with an Intel Core i5 processor and Intel UHD graphics, targeting the mid-range market segment. During my testing period, I found the performance to be adequate for everyday computing tasks, though not without its quirks. The system handles basic multitasking well, but I noticed occasional stuttering when pushing the device with more demanding applications. The included 16GB DDR4 RAM provides sufficient memory for most use cases, though the RAM speeds could be better. The 512GB SSD, while spacious enough for most users, showed slower transfer speeds compared to some competitors in the same price range. This became particularly noticeable when moving large files or loading resource-heavy applications. One of the most impressive aspects of this mini PC is its energy efficiency, consuming only 25 watts at full load. This makes it an excellent choice for users concerned about power consumption. The device supports dual 4K monitors and operates quietly under normal conditions, though the fan noise becomes more pronounced during intensive tasks. The connectivity options are comprehensive, including multiple USB 3.0 ports and dual HDMI outputs. However, the absence of a USB-C port feels like a significant oversight in 2024. During testing, I encountered occasional display flickering issues when running dual 4K monitors, which required adjusting refresh rates to resolve. The build quality, while serviceable, doesn't inspire confidence in long-term durability. The plastic construction, though lightweight, feels less premium compared to aluminum-bodied competitors. The Wi-Fi 6 support is a welcome feature, but I experienced occasional connectivity drops during intensive network tasks, which might be concerning for users requiring stable internet connections. Number 5. KAMRUI Mini PC. The KAMRUI AM06 Pro represents a significant step up in our countdown, featuring an AMD Ryzen 5 5500U processor with 6 cores and 12 threads. During my extensive testing, this mini PC consistently impressed me with its balance of performance and reliability. The processor handles multitasking with remarkable efficiency, showing minimal slowdown even with numerous applications running simultaneously. The system's memory and storage configuration is particularly noteworthy. Supporting up to 64GB of DDR4 RAM and featuring both a 512GB NVMe SSD and expansion options for a 2.5-inch SATA drive, this mini PC offers exceptional flexibility for various use cases. The storage performance proved impressive in my benchmarks, with the NVMe drive delivering fast boot times and quick application launches. One of the standout features is the networking capability. The inclusion of both 1 Gbps and 2.5 Gbps Ethernet ports provides excellent flexibility for network-intensive tasks. The Wi-Fi 6 implementation delivered consistent high-speed wireless connectivity throughout my testing period. The ability to drive 3 4K displays at 60 Hz demonstrates the system's capability as a serious workstation replacement. The thermal design proved highly effective during my stress tests, maintaining stable temperatures even under heavy workloads. The aluminum chassis not only looks premium, but also aids in heat dissipation, resulting in quieter operation compared to plastic-bodied competitors. The fan noise remains well controlled, only becoming noticeable during the most demanding tasks. The build quality exceeded my expectations, with a solid feel that inspires confidence in long-term durability. The port selection is comprehensive, including USB 3.0, HDMI, DisplayPort, and Type-C connections, offering excellent connectivity options for various peripherals and displays. The pre-installed Windows 11 Pro runs smoothly with no bloatware to slow down the system. Number 4. Beelink Mini PC. The Beelink Mini PC emerges as a remarkable contender in our lineup, featuring an AMD Ryzen 7 processor that consistently delivered impressive performance during my testing. The system's ability to handle demanding workloads while maintaining stability sets it apart from lower-ranked competitors. Throughout weeks of testing, I found its performance particularly noteworthy in creative applications and virtual machine environments. The dual-channel DDR4 memory configuration proved its worth during memory-intensive tasks, showing minimal latency and excellent multitasking capabilities. The system maintained smooth operation even when running multiple virtual machines simultaneously, a testament to its robust memory management. The storage subsystem, featuring a fast NVMe SSD, demonstrated exceptional read and write speeds, making file operations and application launches notably snappy. What truly impressed me was the thermal solution implemented in this compact chassis. During sustained high-performance operations, the cooling system maintained optimal temperatures without resorting to excessive fan speeds. The metal chassis not only contributes to heat dissipation, but also gives the device a premium feel that's lacking in many competitors. Even during stress tests, pushing both CPU and GPU to their limits, thermal throttling was minimal. The expansion capabilities deserve special mention. Unlike many mini PCs that come with soldered components, this model allows for both RAM and storage upgrades. During testing, I upgraded the RAM to 64GB and added a secondary SSD, both of which were straightforward processes that significantly enhanced the system's capabilities. The dual HDMI ports handled 4K displays flawlessly, and the integrated AMD Radeon graphics proved capable of handling light gaming and content creation tasks. The connectivity options are comprehensive, including USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, Type-C with DisplayPort capability, and 2.5 Gbps Ethernet. Throughout my testing period, I noticed consistent and reliable network performance, crucial for professional workloads. The Wi-Fi 6 implementation showed excellent range and stability, maintaining high speeds even through walls. Number 3. TRIGKEY Mini PC. The TRIGKEY Mini PC showcases exceptional engineering with its Intel 12th generation processor, and my extensive testing revealed capabilities that surpass expectations. The combination of a powerful CPU and well-implemented cooling solution resulted in consistent performance that remained stable even during prolonged workloads. The system's ability to maintain high clock speeds without thermal throttling is particularly impressive for its size. During benchmarking, the 16GB DDR4 RAM and PCIe NVMe SSD delivered exceptional performance, with storage read speeds consistently reaching up to 800 megabytes per second. This translated to real-world benefits, with applications launching almost instantaneously and large file transfers completing remarkably quickly. The system's responsiveness remained snappy even when running multiple demanding applications simultaneously. The graphics capabilities surprised me during testing. While not marketed as a gaming device, the integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics handled casual gaming and content creation tasks admirably. I successfully ran several modern titles at medium settings with playable frame rates, and video editing software operated smoothly, especially when working with 1080p content. The build quality stands out with its premium aluminum construction, which not only looks sophisticated, but also aids in heat dissipation. The port selection is thoughtfully implemented, including multiple USB 3.2 ports, HDMI 2.0, and DisplayPort connections. During my dual monitor setup testing, the system handled 4K output on both displays without any stuttering or performance degradation. What particularly impressed me was the system's stability during intensive workloads. Whether running complex computational tasks, handling multiple virtual machines, or processing large datasets, the TRIGKEY maintained consistent performance without any crashes or stability issues. The fan noise remained surprisingly modest, only becoming noticeable during the most demanding scenarios. 2. Apple Mac Mini M2 Pro. The Mac Mini M2 Pro represents a significant leap in Mini PC capabilities, and my extensive testing revealed its exceptional prowess in professional workflows. The 12-core CPU configuration, paired with up to 32 GB of unified memory, delivered performance that rivals many full-size desktop workstations. During intensive testing sessions, I found its ability to handle multiple professional applications simultaneously nothing short of remarkable. The M2 Pro chip's performance in both single and multi-core tasks consistently impressed me throughout testing. Video editing in Final Cut Pro was buttery smooth, with 4K footage playing back without dropped frames, even with multiple effects applied. The system handled complex Photoshop compositions with layers of high-resolution images effortlessly, and software compilation tasks completed significantly faster than on comparable x86 systems. One of the most striking aspects of this machine is its thermal efficiency. Despite pushing the system through demanding rendering tasks and computational workloads, it maintained whisper-quiet operation. The aluminum unibody design not only looks premium, but also serves as an effective heatsink, contributing to the system's ability to maintain peak performance without throttling. The connectivity options are particularly noteworthy, with Thunderbolt 4 ports supporting high-speed peripherals and external displays. During my testing with multiple 4K monitors, the system handled everything flawlessly, maintaining smooth performance across all displays. The inclusion of HDMI 2.0 and high-speed USB ports provides excellent flexibility for various peripherals and external storage devices. The system's energy efficiency is remarkable, consuming significantly less power than comparable performance Windows-based systems. Throughout my testing period, I monitored power consumption and found it consistently lower than expected for the performance level delivered. The macOS experience remains unmatched in terms of optimization and smoothness, with professional applications taking full advantage of the M2 Pro's capabilities. 1. ASUS NUC 14 Pro AI Mini PC. The ASUS NUC 14 Pro AI Mini PC represents a significant evolution in compact computing, combining cutting-edge performance, advanced AI capabilities, and a highly versatile design. This mini PC is powered by Intel's latest Core Ultra processors, Series 2, formerly known as Lunar Lake, making it the world's first AI-enabled mini PC with Microsoft Copilot Plus integration. Its compact size of just 130 by 130 by 34 millimeters and a weight of 530 grams allows it to fit seamlessly into various environments, from business offices to industrial and home settings. At the core of the ASUS NUC 14 Pro AI is its multi-architecture CPU, GPU, and NPU setup, delivering up to 120 TOPS of AI performance. The Intel Arc GPU provides up to 67 TOPS, while the Neural Processing Unit, NPU, contributes an additional 48 TOPS, offering 3 times the AI performance of earlier NUC models while consuming less power. This makes it ideal for applications in edge computing, IoT, and AI-driven workloads. The device supports up to 32 GB of LPDDR5X8533 RAM and features an M.2 Gen 4x4 slot for NVMe SSDs ranging from 256 GB to 2 TB. The ASUS NUC 14 Pro AI is designed for seamless connectivity and expandability. It includes dual Thunderbolt 4 ports with DisplayPort 2.1 support, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, HDMI, multiple USB ports, and a 2.5G Ethernet port. These features enable it to drive up to 3 4K displays simultaneously or connect to high-speed external storage devices. Additionally, the Mini PC incorporates voice command capabilities through built-in microphones and speakers supported by Smart Amp technology, alongside fingerprint recognition for secure access.